Today we are at Ugboha community, where we went for bush combing, and in the bush we met so many camps that look like Fulani settlers camp. And the security squad with other security agency went to search the whole area. And from the information we had, well, some of these people used some of these camps for kidnapping and ransom. So we had to search it and make sure there are no people hiding there.
We've been able to go deep into the forest. We've carried out various search, even with the help of our drones and military personnel, hunters from various neighborhoods, letting the people know that His Excellency, the Governor of Edo State, Senator Modi Okpewolo, is hell-bent to fight against criminality in the state. And like I keep saying, we would not rest, because Peking will say, in Papa no go rest, himself no go rest. That is our adage. The governor is not playing. He has mandated everybody, even those that are not involved, to be involved. That if you see something, you say it, because when you hide it, you're part of the crime itself. Edo is no longer a hiding place for criminals.
On Saturday here, we recover more than 9 people from the bush where they kidnapped, with the assistance of the governor and the vigilante and the hunters.
This is one thing I keep on telling our Southeast governors. Do you understand me? They are not yet serious to fight insecurity that is going on. They are not yet serious. I must be honest with you. For hope, who's of them, my for Charles Nwambafo, my Peter Mba, Elesiotio, Francis Nwiwuru, nla adobero serious in sanitize an Igbo. Because I want future some things other governors who may have the major funny take it for how I protect the life of their citizen and their property. But I am on a on a southeast, on a father of all these things. On a father of all these things. You know, actually go to Harrison and Maluna to many times. Go and see what Harrison is doing. In our one government of Delta State, are back area up on Ifa phone. Now look at the governor of Edo State. Do you understand me? If you can take the Southeast governors, no make any meeting, Machisi obodo aya ba n'Igbo. Fish even down one terrorize an Igbo out. Because Governor Soludo yes all securities are create here without to put Mba implement with the same thing. Without to hope them implement the same thing. Without to Francis Nwiwuru he implemented the same thing. Without a ratio, he implemented the same thing. I know that is just an afachu for eben with multiple hole. Ebo really believe he just an afachu for. But over a function in a biacoton or meeting. Take if I'm about that insecurity by threat to go Nanibu. Take it serious. Often chanting need the Arabia cotton will solve all the insecurity. Only if I solve individually, Governor Kaja sort of they don't really Governor Soludo na Bambok or reduce insecurity in Anambra State. Man, I hope who's on them memory for name. If you can under is we be Anambra State and more operate. Do you understand me? Man, all born as in a hope who's on them man chufa. Gaddafi abu Governor Aibu, Governor Charles Soludo anachufa, Elesiotio anachufa, Francis Nwiwuru anachufa, Peter Mba anachufa. If una fancha ine ga advocate na ani Igbo aju oyi. Mana Soludo nwere ike ọ chụọ for agba na Enugu. Peter Mba chụọ for agba na Anambra State. Do you get my point? Mana fancha ine bịakọta ọnụ will force where face and down one me fan and Igbo ga do one time. When I put ever now, go no happen as an April one individual, but you will open on one cause insecurity. Makuye government. One individual are here now to accord the bigger than government. ọ dị bigger than government. Individual ị na-atụ aka onye nwa na-agwa ndị mmadụ ya ji ha ji na-apụ mmadụ. O ji wee wụ one individual one like you na-abịa na conversation akọ. O ji wee wụ Nnamdi Kanu bụ architect of insecurity. Ya Nnamdi Kanu bụrụ architect, Nnamdi Kanu ọkara gọọmenti anyị. Akwa eji Nnamdi Kanu ebe afọ ọ nọ kịta ka o ji agwa ndị mmadụ ha ji na-apụgharị ndị mmadụ.